Hello guys, this is Nicholas. So yesterday I did a battery drain test for my brand new GoPro Hero8 Black. So not only that the battery didn't last for 1 hour, but during that period, GoPro actually shut down 5 times by itself because of the overheat of the battery as a result of the overheat of the camera, because there's a fail-safe mechanism of this camera, so it actually shut down by itself to protect it from damaging. But shutting down 5 times within less than 1 hour to me is pretty unacceptable. So some people may argue that maybe you just get a really bad battery from GoPro. So that is a possibility. So this GoPro I got from Best Buy, it's actually a Black Friday bundle, so it came with 2 batteries. So I just fully charged this battery. So why don't we just do another battery drain test to see whether the same results come out? If so, that means it's not the battery, maybe it's both the battery problem and also the camera problem. So let's put it on. So to put on the battery, it's pretty simple. You open this door and then you slide the battery in and then you close it and then snap it like this. And then let's just go ahead and turn it on. So not sure whether you can see clearly, but over here is at 100% of battery. And then I'm gonna connect my GoPro. And I found that connecting your cell phone to the GoPro is not a really smooth process too. Sometimes it just disconnects by itself. Hopefully this time it will work. And then while it's connecting, let me go ahead and start doing the timing. Let's go ahead and start, and at the same time let's continue to connect it. Alright, so this time is a success. So the battery showing on this screen is still shows 100%. So let's wait and see how long this battery can last this time. So I'm gonna turn it off now and I'll see you later. Hello guys, I'm back. I just went to take a shower. So right now we are about 18 minutes into the test and the battery has 81% as of now. Looks like it's doing better than yesterday. I have to point out that yesterday I was shooting 4K video at 30 frames per second. Today I'm doing the time-lapse. So I'm not sure whether these different formats play a difference. Yeah, but we'll see at the end of the test. So as of now, the camera is still functioning. It has not shut down yet, but we'll see. So I'll see you very soon. Hey guys, I'm back again. So we are about 14 minutes into the test and the battery still have 57%. This is really good, so much better than yesterday. So I think this is a good news to some of the GoPro fans. So I think apparently there's a major difference between shooting time-lapse and also 4K. For 4K it drains a battery like crazy, but for time-lapse the camera is acting pretty normal, and then it's a little bit warm, but it's not as hot as yesterday. So let's continue to have this battery drain test and see how long it will last. I'll see you soon. Hello guys, I'm back again. So as you can see, we are 1 hour into the test and the battery still have 34%. This is really good. This is a really good news to GoPro fans and a victory to GoPro, because yesterday it was a disaster. So apparently there's a major difference between different formats you shoot. So for time-lapse, we can easily pass 1 hour. So if we continue with this pace, probably we can even reach 1.5 hours for just one battery full charge. So Let's continue the test and see how long this battery can last. And as of now, the camera still haven't shut down by itself yet, so this is much better than yesterday. Hey guys, I'm back again. So we are 1 hour and 15 minutes into the test, and the battery still have 16% left, so this is really good. So let's continue. I'll see you soon. Hey guys, I'm back. So we are almost at the finish line over here. So as you can see, we are marching towards 1.5 hours. Right now it's 1 hour 26 minutes and a half. And the battery still have about 2% left. So if we are lucky, probably we can pass the 1.5 hour line. So we'll see, let's wait together. So there's only 2% left. So I think this is a really good news to a lot of GoPro fans, because the battery can last almost like 1.5 hours. That means you can do a lot with 1.5 hours. So compared to the test yesterday, which lasts less than 1 hour, this is really the difference between days and nights. So will I keep it or will I return it? I'm still thinking about that, because you know, I use this iPhone X to shoot the Game of Thrones live concert, which was about 2.5 hours long. So I didn't get any overheat issue with my phone, and also by shooting 2.5 hours straight, I still had battery left for my iPhone. And also the iPhone, it has a much larger screen than this GoPro. So I don't know, I still need to think about that. So now the battery only have 1% left, so I think it will die very soon. So we are about 2 minutes into 1.5 hours. So let's see which one go first, whether the camera die first or we pass 1.5 hours first. So I'm pretty excited. So after this test, probably I think I'm gonna run another test. So instead of doing the time lapse like this one, I wanna run I wanna fully charge this battery first and then run another 4K video test to see whether we get the same result as yesterday. So the battery dropped to 0 now, so I think we are just a couple seconds away from the camera being shut down by itself. So right now we are almost like 1 minute away from 1.5 hours. So good news to GoPro fans again. Alright, so as you can see from the screen over here, so the camera finally shut down. So it's roughly 1 hour and 29 minutes for this full battery test. So I think this is a good news to a lot of people. So I'll see you in the next video.